Hello and welcome to another Hot Plus unboxing. In today's video, I managed to get more CKs. Yeah, and I was lucky enough to get this. Mailed it. Treasure hunt. Yeah, so far I've got 100% of treasure hunt. Let's hope that the case doesn't ruin this. Yeah, let me put this. I'll be opening it at the end of the video. But first, a fantasy casting. Roger Dodger. Let's open it. And here it is. I love the flame on the side. And the white color, it looks so good. Flame and the white color are fitting so perfect. Yeah, I love the flame job on this car. And the next one. Sadly not a super treasure hunt. High Roller 2. I did get a High Roller 2 in, I believe, last video or a few videos ago. Yeah, I got that one. The 2024 Zamak edition. Yeah, kinda Zamak. It's the Rolling Metal series. But yeah, now let's open this art car. And here it is. I love the like zebra look on it. There's the R and the Hot Wheels flame. Now, I hope to spell out the word there. I was looking at another YouTuber and people are mad at him 2024 that he spoiled what the word was. But I'm not gonna spoil it because I don't even know what it is. I think I have 4 cars. Yeah, I have the K-Truck. I have the DeLorean. The the Vanisher. And now I have the I forgot what was the name. High Roller 2? Yeah, I remembered. And the next car, which we got in 2024 as the first edition, but now it's been recovered. Jaguar Mark 1. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, one thing I love about this casting is attention to detail. In the previous 2024 release, there was buy one, but now it's a get one. Pretty cool that they continue that onto this casting. Yeah, it's looking like an old retro racing livery because it is an old retro car. And the last car, which is new for the second to last. I forgot about the mail. But yeah, Maserati Shamal. I'm so excited to add a Maserati to my collection. Now, let's open it. And here it is. Pretty sweet model. I love Maseratis. But now I got an actual Maserati in my collection. And the last car. And probably the rarest one out of all these. Mailed it. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, I think this is like a little bit of a more worst delivery than last year's. I love the fact that it was actually a postal service van as opposed to just a racing thing. Like but at least it has the rare at 1/15. Yeah. I gotta remember what is this DK special so I don't miss it. I've got only 2 Hot Wheels missing from CK, and it's the Shelby and the Mercedes. I think it's the 500E. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.